Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat, I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Jila ukhona. What's your take on Jonas Vele?
Yeah, we'll talk about it after. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you? We're good. We're actually waiting for you here. We saw you there at the corner. So my name is Lisa. Okay, I'm from CMTV. I go around just doing couples quizzes. Okay. Would you guys be willing? I just ask you a couple of questions about your relationship.
Okay, no problem.
It's fine.
I'm not sad.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you asking or are you telling me that it's not a problem?
I'm not sad, no problem.
Okay. And you?
Ash.
Do you don't want to be seen with your woman?
On the floor.
Okay. On my left, sir. Girl on my right, please. Just stand here, my skirt. Okay, name. Just face the camera for me a little. Okay, name.
Mohau.
Mohau and? Momo.
Yeah.
Momo, how long have you been? Mo and Mo. Can I call you Mo and Mo?
Okay.
Okay. Mo, how long have you been with Mo?
2 months.
2 months.
Yes.
Still going strong.
Yeah, it's still going strong. Everything is sharp.
Yeah. Okay. Mo, where did you meet Mo? Oh, really? Okay. Did he win? He probably did. He?
Player. Yeah.
You just saying that because he's your man.
No, not because of that.
Really? What position do you play? Right wing. So that's a forward.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you even score? Okay. And then you came out of the field and you asked her out.
Obviously,
Oh, nice. Okay.
thola amathenzi wakhe yabo ukucheta naye lapho from lapho ngicala ukuhlangana nawe yazi ngoba into ke sisicala ke iphusheka kanyana manje nje ngingathemba icenile.
Okay, sir. What is it that you like about her? What is it that you like about her? You like her because very
mina vele angithanda vele short type.
Yeah, and she doesn't even have makeup on. Hi, you scored. Yeah.
Ngishaya khona ne.
Yes.
Sure.
Good for you.
Sure.
Mo, what is it that you like about Mo?
Yeah, he's a kind person, loving person, and yeah, uthanda abantu.
Okay. Nice.
And always checking up on me, so yeah.
And he's always stressed about you, darling.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
9.
9. Leaving 1 for disappointment.
Yeah.
Okay, because he's a man at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Mo, on a scale of 10.
Phela mina I'm 10 man obviously.
Why must I give you 10?
Mina I'm 10 phela.
So you would give a 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Okay. But you are getting 9 out of 10.
Yile nto ngimbuza not why.
Why ke?
Iyo ina rights. Ina rights.
Except what she's saying, Mo. Yes. So Foster right? It's fine. Okay, guys, I want to ask you, would you guys be willing to prove your loyalty to each other?
Oh, okay.
Would you be willing?
Yeah, I'm willing.
Okay. What we do on this show is we basically make couples switch phones, okay? You guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps. You both look very terrified.
Switching phones.
You switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps.
I know you.
Both of you look stressed as hell. Are you hiding anything on your phones that you would not want your partner to see?
Next.
Mo, You look traumatized, darling.
Hayi namanje I'm not used to ukuthi umuntu enhleka libe achekana
Namafoni, yeah, we don't.
Why not? I mean, it's been 2 months. If you guys want to push it for longer, you might as well check each other's phones
Ash.
to check where you stand with each other.
Yeah, ukuthi simiphi ne.
Oh,
Nje uni push it 2 months is no more. Ingathi kanti kwi-2-year relationship up, and she's a side chick.
Hayi in the next.
Okay, so then can we see your phone?
Oh. Hayi.
Hey, asans.
After God fear men.
Yo.
We can start with hers and then we'll end with yours.
Akunankinga hayi.
Ne? Okay, let's open your phone for me. Okay, thank you. Go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Type love you.
Love you. Yeah.
Okay, what do you see?
Okay, akuvele mina lana.
Okay.
Mama wakhe sharp.
Okay. Delete that. Type miss you.
Okay, sharp ayimi.
Okay.
Na sharp.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Ayimi.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Ayimi izolo futhi.
Hey, again. Okay. Delete that. Type last night.
Yeah. Yimi.
Okay.
None.
Delete. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Baba wakhe. Okay, ayimi.
Okay.
Mama wakhe sharp.
Nice. Innocent. Clean.
Yeah.
Delete that. Type pregnant. Have you ever been pregnant?
No.
I stand proud.
The next.
Okay.
Let's future.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill. Why are you shaking? Are you cold or scared?
Aye, and the next. Morning after pill, ne? Okay. Dolo. Next.
Okay. Clean. Give your woman back her phone. Congrats. It's your turn, please. Just need your password or passcode. Are you okay?
I'm clear.
Okay. Go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Type love you.
Okay, yimi kuvela mina.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Yeah, kuvela mina. Mama wakhe.
Okay.
Yes.
Delete that. Type babe. Hey, go into the conversation.
Okay. So, kuno baby Zandi, baby Lerato, babies, kimang Zakatela, whoever.
Go into Zandi.
Okay, this is Zandi.
Ah.
Malove watwati.
Sibone izinto apha.
Ngbo.
You don't know what's on your phone.
Kenzakalani tonight, ama-plan.
Ukubona.
Do you want to call her Uzandi?
Asimfonele uZandi, awunanto ukumebona la.
We just need to call one girl. Huh?
Mustanizange ndikhulume ngofone
Why are you scared that we're calling her? Because she needs to confirm. What's Zandi to you? Nenza ntoni noZandi?
Senyasho nje.
Kaloku yes, nenza ntoni noZandi?
Amasitera.
What are you doing with Zandi? Yintoni Zandi ku?
Ngicela ke ningamfoneli ke uZandi.
Why?
Yabona.
Why can't we call Uzandi? Awukasiphenduli.
Ngifowunela vele.
Hold Dlamini. Ah. Yo. Hi, can I please speak to Zandi?
Yebo, unjani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngikhuluma noZandi.
Yebo, ukhuluma naye.
Zandi, angazi uyenzani noMuhawu?
Siyathandana.
Nithandana ini makenzakalani?
Umuntu wami.
For how
Umuntu
long?
wakho for how long?
It's been 2 years.
2 what?
2 years.
Wow. So like uproud ngalento leyo, uproud noMuhawu, nijabulile kumnandi. Uyazi ukuthi uMuhawu ujola nami ke sisi.
Bengazi kusho uqambela wena kamanga. Umuntu wami lo futhi siyathandana and ngesikhona ukuhlukana.
Yo ayike shithi angazi into ekumele yenze njani sisi. So uthini ukwenzelana uMuhawu since uthi uyamthanda nathandana?
Ungenzela yonke
Yonke into like what? Like ini?
Ngithengile impahla uyangirentela siyaphuma
Oh, uyakurentela.
club yonke into nje.
Die, Mohammed,
Wow, okay. Hayi okay sisi yazini asingayilena lena sisi, it's fine. Ukhiphe uMuhawu wakho nibe happy nihlale nithi ayikho into engizoyenza.
Ayikho vele into ozoyenza sisi hlukana nendoda yami.
Okay ayisharp.
Kasangangazela uMohammed. Ha.
Hayi okay. Angazi Muhawu
So-
decided ukucheater and stuff. So mina nami ayikho into engizoyilandelela.
Dlamini, please put it in a
So it is what it is.
So you done my skirt.
Ayikho into
Very
engizoyenza because
beautiful.
forcing
You find someone
myself.
else.
Kuzoyenza into ezibheke.
And this is that he does for Uzandi. Does he do for you? Does he buy you clothes? Does he pay rent for
buys
you?
clothes but not izinto ze-rent and stuff and other things, but njengoba uZandi asho hayi makamkhiphe shem because ayikho into engizoyenza kuMuhawu. Hawu ayikho. Ungitshela kabi. Ungitshela kabi.
What's ufuna uthini? Are you gonna explain?
Angidingi explanation yakhe makahambe ahlale noZandi wakhe babe sharp angizingeni.
Bheka,
Akunakubheka
ngihamba.
next sorry.
You can leave, Neskat. You can actually leave.
It's fine.
Ngiyacela. Shoot wena uyakujabulisa maka nawo lento uyenza.
As a single girl, yes, everyone must be single.
Ngahamba. Into uyenza ngingakujabulisa ngiyacela. Mama,
Ungangisondeli.
ngiyacela.
Sumsondel.
Ungangisondeli futhi. Please ngathi subunja hamba uyehlala noZandi niyenza into esiyenza fatana nama-rent hambani ama-club wenu kube mnandi uphume kimi futhi
Ngiyacela.
phuma kimi ngizochacha
Ngiyacela.
Please leave.
phuma kimi futhi hamba kuZandi wakho hamba
Thank you.
ama-club.
Hlala lapha, bye-bye. My skirt, you fine? You don't need transport?
I need transport please like
Okay. We'll stand aside and we'll take you home. Just step aside. Dlamini.
Akurawo. Ngibone
Kurwef.
ngibone ibhlwe likaMuhawu lenzayo.
Dlamini, stop laughing at people's breakups. Shame.
Why was he shaking?
Ubonile na. But anyway, Dlams, I want to go home.
The trousers are shaking. I had to mention abadala. Amanye ama-relationship wrong. Hey, your thoughts? I asked you a question before we...
About Jonas.
Hey.
Yo, I don't want to say much. I'm just traumatized. I was very traumatized.
That is the answer, that is the answer that everyone is giving.
I knew that men cheated, but not to that extent.
Yes.
To the point where you even with your daughter's friend. And hi, bo.
The one, the person who wrote that script, you were
Was it who? Sunyati or Google?
Me, I
Zoom? I don't
salute
even
you.
know.
Me, the person who wrote that script, I salute you. I take my
And
hat
the
off.
HIV at the end, the plot twist. Please stand here, Larine. I don't want to be too close. It was basically, I'm sure I'm traumatized, but it was good.
Yeah, it was good.
I didn't like the sex scenes though. I felt
When
like,
anything
but they
that
were
has to do with
necessary.
sex nje vela ngathi you wished, you bewitched ngesex awuyithandi kukhulunywa ngayo yenziwa awuyifuni.
It was, the sex was too much. But I'm not criticizing the sex. It was necessary because that's what the show was about.
So what's about, yes.
But I think that was my least favorite part.
So shout out to Usdumo Mtshali for portraying that character.
Yeah, he was so
the
good.
highest mfethu. Shout out to mfethu.
Even Gugu, Joyce,
yes.
yo.
Mfethu.
I think also it also speaks to how we must never listen to people, because remember she recently lost weight and people you shouldn't have lost weight, you shouldn't have lost
They were
weight.
all over her.
Look at the opportunity that
she
came with the weight
yeah.
loss. So don't listen to people.
Do
People
you.
will always talk.
Do you?
Because
Because at the end of the day, it's all about you.
period.
It's not about what I say.
Exactly. Yeah.
Kuku hayi mntakwethu.
Usebenzile sis.
Masihlangana
Usebenzile sis.
ihaki.
Yo.
Ngizawumhaka. Ngizawumhakanye.
Lavidi, can we please go home?
Asavelulu.
Ready. All right, CMTV viewers, it's an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _.
You have to change your Insta handles, DJ Lisa Serame. Otherwise, it's welcome.
Please buy me flying fish.
Welcome _Zamin 88 Facebook. Welcome Zamin TikTok. Welcome Zamin anything buy nje vele.
Flying fish. Why don't you want to buy me flying fish?
Anything buy.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Serame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.